So today we will make home decor on the wooden canvas. So I will make flowers and I use for it sculpture paste. So when I make flowers and then I make some time to dry them, and after drying I continue make my project. So I make a lot of flowers. So when the flowers are ready and dried, I paint all canvas by black color and black color paint. It will be black canvas, so it will be black color. That's why I make black base. I use acrylic paint for base, so it already dried, and after drying I pour black resin. So I use black powder for resin and I pour on the canvas. So I spread the resin everywhere around to cover all decor. So don't forget to remove bubbles from the surface. I use fire torch for this. I really didn't know what I want to make, so I just decided to make black home decor with flowers, and in the process I thought about design. So I cover all flowers by glue, because after this I put golden leaf on it to make my flowers golden, because the golden leaves make gold very beautiful. So I think even just flowers and black color, it would be beautiful without any other things. It would be beautiful canvas, but I decided to add sparkles, lines and other things. So you can do like you want. So it was my first experience with sculpture paste, because before I didn't use it. So it was my first experience how to work with it and how it works. So you can try it too. when I stick everywhere the golden leaf, you also can use not golden leaf, just gold paint. Maybe it will be more easier for you. I tried this way. So when the glue was dried, I removed golden leaves, and look at what we have. As for me, it wasn't easy to work with golden leaves. For me, it was better to work with gold paint, with gold pen. But anyway, I did how I did. So I also put some sparkles. I mix sparkles with resin, and then I added them on the decor. When I added sparkles, I decided that it's too empty, and I decided to also add golden paint. And I add golden paint and like spread by heat and fan, so to make them more unusual, not straight lines. So, and also I decided to make like golden lines around sparkles. So I did all lines when everything was dry, and after drying I and made line, I poured the top coat. So the top coat, it cover our surface, and it looks very glossy and flat, and it looks beautiful. And so after 24 hours of drying, it looks like this. So my home decor is ready.